In an international armed conflict, a state at war, a belligerent state, has a right to blockade enemy territory, and that right, in principle, includes the ability to control what aid goes into that territory. So while aid should be allowed in, a belligerent conducting a lawful blockade has a right to divert ships and facilitate the aid entering. The question becomes whether Israel's blockade is lawful. And for me, the thing that would make that blockade unlawful is that we have evidence that the blockade is part of a campaign of starvation against the civilian population, which would be a war crime. So obviously a war crime is unlawful, and therefore the blockade becomes unlawful. Under the ordinary principles of international law in peacetime, you can only intercept a ship on the high seas if you've got a treaty arrangement in place, permission of the flag state government, or you fall into one of a very narrow range of exceptions, such as piracy, the slave trade, or unauthorized radio broadcasting on the high seas, or being a stateless vessel. So you've got to come within one of those exceptions or an exception provided by the law of war. If you're in your own territorial sea and a vessel is not engaged in innocent passage, you have a right to arrest it. But here, this is not Israel's territorial sea. This is the territorial sea of the now widely, if not universally, recognized state of Palestine.